Hi, I'm Randy with Concept One, and today I'm going to be showing you the latest in our line of MAX10R pulley systems for the Harrop Supercharger. We are super excited to be working with Harrop USA. This is Harrop's TVS 2650 Supercharger for LS engines. This supercharger is based on Eaton's TVS 2650 internal. If you want to make big power, this is a great choice. These superchargers are compact and are engineered to fit in a wide variety of applications. Our MAX10 accessory drive systems are a true 2-belt drive system. There is a dedicated 10-rib supercharger drive and an 8-rib drive that drives all the accessories including the water pump. This system is a compact mid-mount form factor that makes it easy to adapt to your hot rod, classic car, or truck. This system is provided complete, including all brackets, pulleys, and premium branded accessories. You get a PowerMaster alternator, Layers power steering pump and reservoir, Edelbrock water pump and fluid damper, and an SD7 compressor. We offer the kit in all black or in this hybrid polished finish. So if you're looking to supercharge your LS, Harrop's TVS 2650 offers big power, and Concept One's accessory drive kit makes it all work.